How y'all doing today? Thomas coming back at you. Today went to Subway because they have a new Chipotle Cheesesteak sandwich. And it's supposed to be on a sunflower crunch bread. So that's what I got right here. So let's open it up. And you can see the sunflowers on the bread. And you know, it's not going to look like much because it's all chopped up and everything, but I got jalapenos on there, red onions, lettuce, and a chipotle sauce that comes with it. I didn't get everything else on there. It's just kind of difficult placing the order at that particular location. Alright, so like I was saying, it was kind of difficult placing the order because the lady didn't quite understand English apparently. So I just kept it simple, and I got me some Lay's Hickory Barbecue Wavy Chips with it, and those were $1.19. So without further ado, let's check out the sandwich and see what we think. The bread is really interesting. I don't know if I like it. Not really sure if I like that bread or not. The chipotle sauce is nice, and I can taste that, and I can taste the jalapenos. I'm afraid the jalapenos and the chipotle sauce are overpowering everything else, though. Got to take another bite. No, that was a better bite. That one did not contain a jalapeno. So now I can taste the meat. The texture of the meat is typical Subway texture. I mean, they took something that could have been in, you know, strips, and they had it all chopped up, and I mean, it's got a decent flavor to it. And then the bread is a little different. I'd have to eat some more of it before I could figure out if I like it or not. It's not bad, but it's just a different texture, I think. Can't taste the onion at all. And as long as there's no jalapenos, you can taste the meat. But you add the jalapenos onto this sandwich and you overpower everything between the jalapenos and the chipotle sauce. So if you're going to get this, I would recommend either no chipotle sauce and jalapenos, or no jalapenos and chipotle sauce. So that's what I would recommend on that. Check out the chips. That's the in bag. I can find a big one here. Aha! And that's what it looks like. These are good. It's a light barbecue flavor with a smokiness behind it. It's really good. Not overly salty. Next time I'm at the store, I'll buy some of these. Those are really good. So overall, if we were doing a scale to 1 to 10, I'd give this sandwich a 5. knowing what I know now, I would have ordered it with different toppings. So, but as far as cheesesteak taste, no. But again, that's, you know, based off the person that really had a hard time understanding English. So, wasn't really able to get everything on there that I was trying to get. So that being said, a 5 for the sandwich, and at $4.89 for a 6-inch. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And then, you know, the chips at $1.19. So you walk out of there with 6 and some change, with no drink. So that's my review on it. If you guys have tried the cheesesteak sandwich from Subway, I think it just came out like the 21st of this month. Let me know if you've tried it and what you think of it and the toppings you had on it. And comment below on if you even like Subway, because, you know, usually the bread is like really thick and you don't really get to taste too much of the actual fixings in there. So they had a new sandwich. I thought I'd give it a try. I'll have to try it again just to be fair, but for right now it's a 5 out of 10. And my shows, they come out Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I'll try to stick at least one thing in the middle of all that. And subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment and a thumbs up. And until my next one, I'll talk to y'all later.